Hi everyone, László here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove duplicates 3 different ways within your Excel sheet. At the end, all of them leads to the same outcome, however you need to think it through if you need to keep the original sheet intact or it can be too messed with. As you can see here, we already have some duplication here. We have a duplicate entry for Greg Garner with the same amount and here, and also for Antonio Pollo. The first method comes with a function called unique, which you can find in Excel if you have an Office 365 subscription. I'm gonna start typing in equals unique and then selecting the whole dataset. That's not an entirely right way to do it, as any additional line will be excluded in that formula and later on you will have to adjust it to match your needs. The better solution is to create a table out of your data range. So we are selecting that range, and after that you can either go to Insert and then Table, or press Ctrl button plus T to convert the range to a table. Here you can select if your sheet is having a header or not, and then press OK. Now that we have it converted to a table, let's type a formula again, selecting the whole table. Having the data formatted to table, the unique function will automatically adjusting the selected range if a new line is added. This way we will have a better suiting solution. The second way is Power Query. We will talk about Power Query in a different video, but in short, it's a powerful tool which you can use to import or connect to that data source and then shape that data to your liking. What we are going to do is to highlight all columns, right-click on any columns and click on Remove Duplicates. When we do that, Power Query will insert a step. On the right-hand side of the screen you can see that. Power Query lists every change step by step which we apply to shape the data. After that we can go to Select and Load To and give where we would like to have the data. So I just going there and Excel will load our unique values there. Now let's see the difference between these two methods. If we change the data in a table, the formula will automatically adjust itself showing the correct results, while the Power Query not. For Power Query you need to refresh the connection. In order to do that, right-click into the modified table and then click Refresh. This will refresh the connection and the proper results will be shown. So let me write here and show the second method. So the third method is quite simple, and that is where the need of thinking comes in the picture. There is a built-in button for removing duplicates, but that is a permanently changes your dataset. So to reach that, you need to go to Data in the top ribbon and select this blue icon next to Text to Columns icon. A pop-up window will be shown where you can select in which conditions you would like to remove the duplications. Also, you can select if your data has headers, but in this case, as we have to set it to a table, it definitely has headers. Click OK and voila! It found 2 duplicates which was removed and 8 unique values remain. Click OK and you can see the 2 lines were deleted. Now, all 3 methods are showing the same results, and as I mentioned at the beginning of the video, you need to think it through if you want or have to keep the original dataset or you can modify it to your likings, because even if all of them go to the same endings, the route be taken there is different. This was today's topic, and share with me which way are you using the most. If you like the video, share the video and don't forget to hit subscribe.